In 1957, Panasonic introduced the first detection switch to the market. As technology has evolved, we have developed a supply system that enables us to deliver products to various countries and regions. We provide services through our sales network. We can offer any switches that meet the needs of the automotive, industrial, and home appliances markets. Compact, waterproof, high contact reliability, long stroke, high functionality. Among them, Turquoise stroke switch has a sliding contact structure that can be sealed, waterproof. With a long stroke, high contact reliability, and resistant to adverse conditions, silent type switch. Sliding contacts are a contact structure in which the movable contactor slides over the fixed contactor. Long stroke by sliding contact structure, absorbing variations in mounting position and amount. Therefore, malfunctions are unlikely to occur and the design freedom is improved. The movable contactor holds a fixed contactor in two positions with the twin contact structure. The coating is removed between the contactor at the time as sliding contact. High contact reliability, even in vibration and adverse condition. In addition, the sliding contact structure is silent operation noise.
Panasonic Industry.